Hey folks, JD here, and welcome to another weekly update. First of all, I'd just like to say that last week we had our 3-year anniversary. Thank you ever so much to everybody that's ever been on the channel in the past 3 years. Thank you for all the support that you've given me. It really does mean the world. Here's to the next 3 years, so thank you ever so much. This footage that you're looking at is from the 18th of March 2017, and it is of the JJRC dual mode quadcopter car. Now, I had 2 or 3 of these going back a few years ago. I did a few drag races with them. They were just brilliant. I really had so much fun with these. If you haven't seen the full video, then you can check it out in the description of this weekly update. Okay, so what is coming this week? Well, this week, again, we are going for some more varied content. I hope you all enjoy. So on Monday we have a brand new quadcopter build series. This is a 3D printed quadcopter. I'm calling it Alpha 1, and this is the build as well as the test outdoors as well. Then on Tuesday we have the Emax Tiny Hawk FPV and line of sight using the FPV-003 monocle glasses that we looked at last week. I've had a couple of requests from a few of you to do like a bit of a distance test to see when the signal breaks up. So with this video there's lots of multiple cameras, there's lots of different angles, and basically try and see what the distance is that I can cover, as well as how far I can see with it, how easy it's to see via line of sight and FPV. Can I use both modes? Can I just use one? Find out on Tuesday. Wednesday we have a brand new 1/8 scale crawler. This is absolutely huge. Obviously, as it is 1/8 scale, so we do the unboxing, and also we're going to do the crawl test as well. On Thursday we have the ProFlight Orbit Distance FPV flight. So I recorded this video first a week and a half ago, then I realised I hadn't recorded any video, the SD card failed, as well as didn't record my screen so you couldn't see the distance. So I've gone back out there, had to wait a week for the weather to die down, I've gone back out there, and now we're putting this to the test. Friday we have the Risey Tello FPV app part 4. This has been requested by Raymond Millwood. This is 8D flips. On Saturday we have the Vizio XS812 and 816. What exactly are the differences? A few of you have asked. Hopefully I can answer your questions in this video on Saturday. And then on Sunday we have RC related 3D prints so far. So just a short video, nothing too long, just going through some of the RC related prints that I have printed out so far, so we can just look at them, and hopefully then I can bring them into some of the other videos that you're going to see in the coming weeks. There we are, my friends. Well, that is the week. I hope you all have a fantastic week. Look after yourselves and look after each other. I shall see you very, very soon. Thank you once again. If you haven't, please like and subscribe, as well as hit the notification bell as well to get notified of any new videos that go out. Thanks folks, take care, and happy RCing.